And before we proceed, I would like to offer my special thanks to Mark Stefanski and Third Federal Savings Foundation for sponsoring this program, Gary Kotlarczyk for organizing it, and of course for the artistic groups for their participation, and to you all for your attendance. I would like to introduce now Mr. Tony Brancotelli, our councilman, who will say a few words. Tony?
Thank you, Gene, and certainly thank you for keeping this tradition alive. On behalf of Mayor Jackson, Council President Kelly, and all of Cleveland City Council, I want to thank you for your participation today. There's a lot of noise in the background. Construction trucks, you'll see cranes in the air around the circle, and certainly this beautiful museum. Really, the history of our city is the history of your heritage. Our ethnic heritage is why our city is great today, and certainly why I appreciate you continuing this celebration. So thank you.